Number 21. Mga short solution na lang yung mga nasa dulo. Okay, 21. What is the current through 0.02 microfarad at T is equal to 0 if the voltage across it, the voltage across C is 2 sine 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 T. Paano yan? Binigay ko kanina yung formula ng VC. VC is equal to 1 over C integral of I dt. So, ang hinahanap, current. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Anong gagawin? Si I yung hinahanap. So, ilipat mo si C. Capacitance times voltage of capacitance is integral of I dt. Okay, i-derive mo ngayon yan. Derive both sides in terms of T. Derive both sides in terms of dt. Okay, so matitira lang dyan will become C derivative ng VC over dt is equal to, ito, magkakancel lang yung integral at saka yung dt. Matitira sa kabila is I. Okay, so anong gagawin mo lang? 0.02 microfarad times derivative ng yung VC mo. That is 2 sine 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 T. Anong T? At T is equal to 0 is equal to I. Direct calculator, makukuha mo na yung final answer. Tignan natin kung makuha natin yung final answer sa calculator. So, nakarad ka dapat 0.02 e raised to negative 6 times derivative, naka-complex pa tayo, 0.02 e raised to negative 6 times derivative of 2 sine 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 x at T is equal to 0. 0 yung sagot. Mayroon bang 0 sa choices? Wala. Tama ba? Tama ba yung pagka-derive natin? 2 sine 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 times x at x is equal to 0. Derive, tama. 0. So, wala sa choices pag nag-diretsong calculator tayo. Tama? Tama ba? Equals. Wala. So, anong gagawin? Try mong i-derive ng long method. Derive personally. Okay, derive mo ng long method. Anong derivative ng sine theta? That will become cosine theta. Tama? Pero mayroong laman yung t mo, may katabi yung t mo doon. So, ilalabas mo ngayon yan. So, magiging 0.02 microfarad times derivative ng 2 pi times 10 raised to 60 is 2 pi times 10 raised to 6. Then, derivative ng sine is, yung times 2 pa pala, hindi ko na ilagay. Times 2 times yung derivative ng 2 pi times 10 raised to 60. Okay? Ito, yung derivative nito, saka mo palang i-derive si cosine, ay si sine. So, times, derivative ng sine is cosine. 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 t at t is equal to 0. Yan na yung magiging I natin. Pilit ko lang. Okay, long method na derivation. Derive long method. Yung derivative ng 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 is yun, nanggaling doon. is equal to I. Yan yung kunin natin sa calculator. That will become 0.02 micro times 2 times 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 times cosine 2 pi times 10 raised to 6 times 0. That will become 0.2513. That will be your final answer. That is letter B. So, derive mo ng long method para mapalabas yung final answer. Hindi kaya ni calculator. Okay? Paki-screenshot. Then proceed tayo sa number 22. The current through a capacitor is given by I is equal to 2t plus 3. Initial charge, so Qi is equal to 8.13 coulombs. Hanapin daw natin yung Q at T is equal to 1 seconds. Sa capacitors pa rin to. And palatandaan natin sa capacitors in terms of Q. dQ is equal to integral of I dt. Hindi pala. Yan. Q is equal to integral of I dt. Ano ba? Tama. Q is equal to integral of I dt, or pwede rin naman kunin mo dun sa current. Current is equal to dQ over dt. Parehas lang yung dalawang yan. Similar lang yung dalawang yan. Okay? So, yung Q natin dyan, anong gagawin? Itong Q natin to is change in Q. So, magiging Q final minus Q initial is equal to integral of limits mo from 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. Nabanggit. 0 to 1. Ano yung I mo? 2t plus 3 dt. May initial charge ka rin. So, substitute mo yan. Qf is equal to 8.13 minus 8.13 is equal to integral of 0 to 1 2t plus 3. Ilan to? Integral nyo na sa calculator nyo. Integral of 2x plus 3 from 0 to 1. This will become 4. Okay, so makukuha mo na si QF. QF now is 4 plus 8.13. So that will become 12.13 all. So this is letter B. Paki-take note na lang yung formula na to or itong formula na to. Parehas lang yan. Same lang tong dalawa. Okay, same lang yan. Okay, next item tayo. Short solution na lang. Voltage across 25 Henry inductor is, yung VL natin naman binigay 8.9 plus 3t raised to 1 half. Find the current in inductor. So, IL at T is equal to 5 if I initial is 1 ampere. Okay, so hanapin daw natin yung IF natin. Formula natin ng VL. VL is L di dt. Tama? Pero, anong hinahanap sa problem? si final current. So, anong gagawin natin? Ilipat mo si L sa kabila. Si dt. So, VL dt is equal to L di. Okay? Substitute mo yung VL mo. Integrate natin to. At saka ito. In terms of di. In terms of dt. Tama na pala yan. So, itong di na to, magiging li na lang yan. LDI. Li is equal to integral of VL dt. Kasi magkakancel lang yung integral mo at saka yung d mo dito. Okay? Hindi rin lang pala. Integrate mo lang si di, magiging I yan. Tama? Hindi mo na i-cancel. So, substitute natin. 8.9 plus 3t raised to 1/2. Limits mo from 0 to 5 is equal to L mo, 25 Henry. Then, initial minus final. Final minus initial. So, IF minus 1. So, kunin natin yung integral. It should be dt. Integral of 8.9 plus 3x raised to 1/2 from 0 to 5. Ilan yan? Tagal lang. Kasi may 1/2 na square root. Square root of 1/2. So this will become 57.41 is equal to 25 times IF minus 1. So shift solve na lang. Answer 57.41 equals 25 x minus 1. Shift solve 0. So IF now is 3.3 amperes. So that will be your final answer. That is letter C. Okay, paki-screenshot. A coil has a time constant. So, time constant natin is 1. That is your tau. Inductance, 10 Henry. What is the value of current at T is equal to 0.1 if E is equal to 100 volts? Coil yan. So, that should be RL circuit. So, ano yung formula natin ng current for RL? I is equal to E over R times 1 minus E raised to negative T over tau. Tama? Pero wala kang resistance. Pero may tau ka, so kunin mo si tau. Si resistance using tau, L over R. Tama? 1 is equal to 10 over R. Therefore, R now is 10 ohms. Yun yung first step. Then, saka ka mag-formula. Second step natin, this will become 100 over 10 times 1 minus E raised to negative 0.1 over 1. Okay, calculator, 100 over 10 times 1 minus E raised to negative 0.1 over 1. This will become 0.951 or 0.952 amperes. So that will be your final answer. That is letter A. Okay, paki-screenshot. Then last item tayo. a circuit having a resistance of 25 ohms and inductance of 0.5 Henry connected sa 250 volts. Find the voltage across R at time constant is equal to 1. So, ang hinahanap, VR, formula natin ng VR, that will be E times 1 minus E raised to negative T over tau. Tama? Hindi pala yan T. One time constant, so that is T. T is one time constant. Yan. So, kunin natin yung tau pa ba? Hindi na. Direct substitute na lang. VR is equal to 250 times 1 minus E raised to negative 1 tau over tau. Okay, so magkakancel yan. So, matitira, ilan? 250 times 1 minus E raised to negative 1. Final answer will be 158 volts. So, that is your final answer. That is letter B. Okay? So, tapos na tayo sa electrical transients.